right now in the course. Now here you bring up the announcement pages, so you want to go over here to Unit 1, double click on or click on Unit 1, and you can see there's Unit 1, and you want to make an introduction, so you click on the discussion board and then click on Create Thread, and there you have it. You want to introduce yourself, introduction to class. If you can move this font, create it at 4 font. Write your introduction. Hello, my name is Gail Friel, and I am, and just continue on with your introduction. Once you're finished writing your introduction, telling us a little bit about yourself, your experience with assessment, how you learn best, you want to click Submit. So you submit that, and you can see up here, Thread Introduction to Class Gail Friel was created. You are also to respond to one other person, so let's click on this one, Gail Friel, Introduction to Class, and you want to reply to Gail Friel in her introduction. So you're going to hit reply, and you are again going to change the font to 4, and then you're going to say, welcome to class. I am looking forward to, or whatever you want to respond back to Gail Friel. You write that message there, and then you click submit and hit submit, and this is what it looks like. Success, your thread, you were introduced. So that's what you need to do to write an introduction and respond. Hit OK to get out, and then you're back. If you want to go back to, if you want to read any of the other or respond to any of the other people, and if not, if you want to go back to Unit 1 and continue working on anything else, then you can do so.